Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you a new unboxing and reviewing video of some truly wireless earbuds that I picked up from Target. Now these are going to be some AirPod style kind of earbuds, but a little more budget friendly at $100 is what I picked these up at. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Here you have the JBL Tune 220 pure bass wireless earbuds that I picked up. I got them in gray, but they're also available in white, black, and other crazy colors that are really nice, available on their website. But let's just take a look at the box. On the front side here, just letting you know that you did get a 19-hour listening time on the earbuds. So you get 3 hours of battery on the actual buds. And with the carrying case, you get an additional 16 hours of battery. If we flip it over, you'll see here that the earbuds have a functioning button that performs different actions for the earbuds themselves. So there's right one here, play and pause. You can answer phone calls. On the left earbud, you can skip and go back to tracks. And these are also voice assistant supported. All right, let's get into the unboxing. So I already opened the box here. Let's see what this. So you do get a micro USB charger. Here we have a quick start guide. Kind of walks you through how to set them up, pairing, how to turn them off. All the controls that we'll get into here shortly, all the commands that you can do, and then here gives you the light indicators that are on the case. So we'll go into that here shortly. You can read that. Warranty card. What is this? Same thing, warranty card. What else? That's all that's in there. So these are the case. I like the style, it reminds me of the AirPods. The build, it feels really good. It feels like good quality. It doesn't feel cheap. It has a nice weight to it. It's not big and bulky like some of the other cases that I've seen. You do get that little flip. Not as well as the AirPods though, like you wouldn't get that satisfying click. Here are the earbuds. Let's see. So the earbuds themselves, they feel like really good quality. They're not soft anywhere. So it is hard plastic all the way around. We do have the mics on the bottom. These are those functioning buttons that we were talking about earlier. But let's see how they fit. So getting into the earbuds themselves, they do hold a 3-hour battery life in the buds, alongside the case, giving you an extra 16 hours of battery. They do go from 0 to 100% within 2 hours. It doesn't have fast charging, and it charges via micro USB. On the front here, you have an LED that tells you the status of the battery. 1 light means it's low battery, 2 lights means it's charging, and 3 lights, or actually no lights, means that it's fully charged. The lid on the case and the earbuds are magnetic, and it's a pretty strong magnetic hold, so I wouldn't be nervous about putting them in the pocket and accidentally getting caught on your jeans or backpack and opening up, because it is a pretty strong hold from the earbuds inside the case. They do kind of are hard to pop out, like to get out of the case. That's the only thing I did see when I was trying to get them out. It's pretty tight, especially by my fingers. Trying to get them out, like I can't get them out like this. I have to kind of finesse them out like that. That's the only thing I didn't like about the case. But other than that, the case design is a good design. As far as the fit go, It fits similar to the AirPods. The inside is like a hard, kind of like a gel material, but they do feel pretty comfortable if you're planning on wearing these for a long period of time. The sound on them, the sound is real clean, but the only thing I didn't like about it was the bass. It wasn't as punchy as I thought it would be given the name Pure Bass. It didn't have any bass at all compared to the Skull Candy Sesh that I reviewed last time. Now on each earbud, they do have one physical button on here, and this little button on each side, they all do individual functions. Like on the left side, if you push on it once, it skips to the next track. If you push on it twice, it goes to the previous track. On the right side, if you push 2 times, it'll activate the Google Assistant or the Siri or the Bixby, whatever your phone uses. If you push once, it'll pause. Push again, it'll play. And if you push it while you're getting a phone call, you'll answer the phone call. And to mute it, you can hold 3 seconds to mute the call, or push it again to end the call. If you're new to my channel, I appreciate you taking the time to watch. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys, so you guys stay up to date with all my videos I post here for you guys. And make sure to leave a comment on any future tech you want to see here. Again, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.